Okay, I'm not even gonna hesitate jumping into this one. I ordered Underglow for my car. I've waited about a week for them to arrive, and after waiting, finally here. So, let's get them open and let's get started installing them. I need somewhere clean. Give me 1 second. There we go, clean. Knife. Here, where's my knife? Cut it open. There we go. Lights. I have lights. I have a thing. Put that over there. More things. And a box. Oh, I gotta set this box. More things. Lights, bigger lights, smaller lights. Controller. I should read the instructions. Oh, and there's a sticker. There's no instructions. This is an issue. I think looking at it, I might have accidentally gotten the 8-piece engine bay lighting kit added to my order, even though I didn't order it. Okay, because yeah, this is the main thing. Huh. I'm gonna have to go look at this next to my car and figure out what we're gonna do now. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, with these things that have heat sinks on them, or with any of this. I'm confused. I'm gonna go figure this out. Actually, looking at the box now, yeah, that white box was supposed to be the only thing I got, the Underglow-X. And there was other stuff not in the white box. Okay, well, if that was intentional, good on you guys, One Up Lighting, because I was gonna order those anyway, and now I just have them. If it wasn't, oops, but I got them. Sweet. I have to figure out what the hell I'm doing. I don't know any of this. Wiring is not my thing. Help. Okay, I sat down and I started separating things. I found this. This looks to be the main thing. That's the one that powers the main Underglow, because it's got this connector right here, and the Underglow has the other side of that connector, which means that this all goes together along with this, which I put on the floor just so I could get it out of the way. I'm just gonna keep it down there. I've got these, which I honestly have no clue what it is, because I did not order this, and I don't know what it is, other than it's a thing that does that. I'm gonna put it there. It looks like rock lights. I think these might be rock lights. I'm not 100% certain. I've got the engine bay kit with its mini adapter right there, which is all connected together, which is nice. And then a ton of mounting brackets. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do here. I'm gonna figure this out again. Okay, I figured out what these are. They're demonized. I did not order demonized. I kind of want to put them on, but at the same time they look like a pain in the butt, because they're identical to the focus. They're identical to the demonized from Diode Dynamics. So yeah, demonize, engine bay, Underglow. This is the one I'm installing for sure. I'm gonna install those eventually, but I don't know if I'm gonna do them right away because my engine bay is kind of a mess. Don't know if I'm ever gonna install those. Probably will down the road. So, that's fun. I'm going to go get some fuses because I don't have any added fuses here. So I'm gonna run to AutoZone. I might take you guys with me. I'm gonna figure it out because, yeah. I'm gonna get at least 3 added fuses though. Okay, it is many hours later. I have bought the added fuse, I had dinner, and we figured out how to use the added fuse, which was quite an endeavor. We're now gonna test to see which is positive and negative. Because they didn't do a red and black positive negative, they did blue and brown, and yeah, that makes no sense. Internet to the rescue. Brown is power, blue is ground. Okay, it's a couple days later, and I had to deal with some Thanksgiving stuff, so that's why we haven't installed it. Today we're actually going to be installing them. I have to get my sister's car out of the garage, sweep the floor, put my car in this spot. Because we're going to be removing the bumper, and that's going to be a pain in the butt. Okay, now I got to sweep that out a little bit, because I'm not working on a dusty floor. Okay, in playing around with this, I learned that the fuse we're tapping into is the fuse that controls the active exhaust, so I might try and tap into a different fuse because yeah, I don't want to ruin the active exhaust, because the active exhaust is really nice. Anyways, for now, pop the hood. Yes, I'm aware the hood's open. I want to install somewhere in here. I don't know where in there, but somewhere in there is where this is being installed. So we've decided to drill a hole in the passenger side firewall to get it to work. And we're using a really, really long drill bit to make it work, because we have to go through that. We figured out we're probably gonna mount it either down there or inside there somewhere. So this should work. Okay, so we've got the wire right there inside. It's that little piece of copper right here, right there. We're gonna attach the wires that we need to that, pull it back through here to the mounting point down there, which I'm gonna clean off because that nothing will stick to that right now. There's the wire right through. That actually was like really simple. Came right through there, all the way to here. That I cleaned off. That looks basically brand new now. Cool. Okay, wires are run through, and we're figuring out where we're gonna mount that, and I'm gonna grab the wire splices. We have lights. We're testing out the fuses now before we hardwire everything in case if something broke, and nothing broke, which is perfect. So we have lights. What? Yeah, the angle that the car is at?
The back tire's off the ground.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is what happens when you try and jack a car. There we go. Okay, let me adjust this. Perfect. And we didn't dent my door. Go. Yep. Just dust. No dent, just dust.
And that's your...
That was the door ding. That's how it made me so mad. And through the magic of editing, my car is now on jack stands. Wonderful. Or on wheel stands. Bumper. It's gonna come off. Nice and easy. There we go. Bumper. Yeah. Yeah, the camera died halfway through that, so oops, it's fine. Okay, so my dad figured out that you can put the, you can route the wires through that right there.
And it's just a little place to get one around.
Yeah, but it fits perfectly, and then you can just route them up through there. I think I'm gonna put the actual light strip on the bottom of the bumper, so I'll put that on last and put the sides and back on first. So we're doing a dry fit just to see what the engine bay lighting what I can do with that. And I'm thinking if I put one right here, that one looks good. This one's kind of the one where I don't know exactly what to do with it, because this one right here shows off the side a little bit in the cold air intake. And then this one underneath is kind of just a last resort, because again, I don't know where else to put it, so if I put it right there, it kind of looks cool. And then this one up here at the front, I know exactly what I'm doing with. Okay, I've figured out what I'm doing here. I'm still deciding on the engine bay, but because I know what I'm doing here, Adams Eco All-Purpose Cleaner, brush, and a microfiber towel. And while I'm in here, bug guts off this. Okay, I've gone and installed the ones on the front crash brace. I really like this positioning. I will show you what that looks like as soon as we get the bumper back on. I'm going to twist tie these back together because, yeah, just get them lined up. Twist tie and then maybe zip tie it up, this one. Twist tie that one, zip tie it up, and call it good. Okay, I'm going to heat shrink these, hopefully. I mean, that shrunk it down enough, I guess. It's not gonna go anywhere now. Cool. This might be a bad idea, we'll see. Could be about to do something really dumb. I mean, it looks like it's working. You're the one at the end. Oh, yep. Definitely doing something. Okay, I think that's just as small as that's gonna go. Cool. Did you melt through the wire case? No? Good. Okay, this might not be the most attractive angle, but it's gotta get done. There we go. Cut the plant. We found the cleanest, most pain in the butt way to run this. Because we're just going to run it through the fender. And it works, but it's also a pain in the butt.
So I had it. It's done.
Oh, you pulled it too much?
Oh, that's right.
Okay, that works.
Gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not what I expected, but it actually works a lot better than anything else I had anticipated. Right about there?
Yeah, it's a visual.
So you want to hold it?
Basically, yeah, whatever works. Getting it in the corner is going to be your biggest thing.
Uh-huh. There we go. That definitely is an attractive angle. Oh, I can break it off. That works too. Close enough. It looks. Oh, no, that's an issue.
You didn't have adhesion in the corner? There we go. Now it does.
We'll test this. Hopefully, you don't have to jumpstart my car after all of this testing. That looks good. Yeah, that looks really good, actually.
Oh, your poor car!
It's fine.
Is that my hair dryer?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Stuff. You want to see what we're doing? Yep. Go look at the front. This button. Oh, I turned them off, right? So we found out that the adhesive does not like the porous plastic. So we're drilling and then screwing in the mounting brackets. Okay, we're gonna test this. Apart. Why are they not turned on? The front one's turned on? Nope, I turned them off. I don't have the power. Okay, I'll turn them on later. Nope, there's my phone set. It's 6 o'clock, so we've been working on this for about 5 hours now. We're onto the front bumper. We got the installation done on both sides and it's really clean. And now we're gonna figure out if we can do the front bumper. And we found a heater, which is great, because it's cold. Jank lighting. We are putting the bumper back on finally. We've got all of the lighting, all the stuff. We've run the wires through the fenders to make it super clean all the way through, except for on the bottom, obviously, but like on the back fender, front fenders. We've got the light across the bottom. So we're gonna put the bumper on, do a dry fit, make sure everything works, and then call it and finish it. Okay, so get it lined up, plug in the fog light.
I see 2 fog lights.
Yep, they're hooked in, right?
Perfect.
There we go. That's the final bit of lights on. We just got to screw them in for the final strip right there. And then we're done with the lights and we got to do just cord management.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 8.5 hours of completion, I present to you Underglow on my Mini. Check it out. For some reason it's bugging out and it's not quite working right. I think I wired it wrong.
This is just for Christmas?
Yeah, just for Christmas I can have it do red and green. It's awesome. I don't know what it's doing. Whenever I close the door, it turns off the lights. Yeah, it can do basically every color. But I've just got it in Christmas mode right now because Christmas mode's the best for the middle of Christmas. You can see it on the rear view camera too.
Oh, can you?
Yeah. Did you see what I did on the rear?
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Go over my exhaust.
Oh, over the exhaust, yeah. That's cool.
This thing is awesome. But yeah, I can do any color.